Hey guys, this is Milo, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Apple MagSafe battery pack. I got this early in the mail. It was supposed to be delivered on the 22nd, but guess what showed up in the mail? So the Apple MagSafe battery pack is actually rated at 11.13 watt hour. In comparison, the iPhone 12 has a 10.78 watt hour battery. Technically, this is supposed to be able to charge your iPhone at 100%. But because of the losses during wireless charging, like heat dissipation and all that, maybe you'd get about 70, 80, or 90% from zero. Let me know in the comments below if you want to know how much percentage each full charge MagSafe battery pack give your phone. Yeah, so it's packed pretty much the same as the other accessories that Apple releases, like the cases and everything. Yeah, this looks very small. Yeah, the actual size seems pretty good. It doesn't seem bulky as compared to other power banks in the market. So you have your usual documents, no cables unfortunately for this one. You have your usual paperwork, safety reminders and everything. No stickers. This is the battery pack. It only comes in white as of today, but hopefully they release more colors in the future. Preferably space gray or black. Yeah, the build quality is pretty good, as expected from an Apple product. The texture, it feels like hard plastic. Not sure if I've touched any Apple product with the same texture, but the back part has rubber, so this will ensure that it properly grips your phone as you connect it using MagSafe. And you have a lightning cable in the bottom and an LED indicator. So the LED light is supposed to provide you information similar to how you charge your AirPods. So let's try it here with an iPhone 12. Oh wow, the grip is pretty strong. Okay, oddly doesn't seem to charge the phone. Okay, I just forgot that you actually have to update your phone to 14.7, which supports the MagSafe battery pack. Otherwise, it wouldn't work at all. So let's see if the update is ready on Apple's side. Okay, so yeah, the update is there. Let me go ahead and update this phone first. You would see in the nose the support for the MagSafe battery pack is there. Looking at the grip, it's pretty grippy. The actual magnet strength is stronger than that of the one included on the case or the wallet or other MagSafe accessories. It's a pretty tight grip. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna fall off. So in comparison, this is a third-party wallet. So yeah, you can definitely feel the strength is stronger on the MagSafe battery pack. And just to check if you can actually mount accessories on the battery itself. So no, the battery itself doesn't have MagSafe on the back portion. Yeah, the grip is pretty tight. This will not fall off. Unless of course you put it in your pocket and it slides off or you drop your phone. Yeah, the grip is pretty solid. Okay, so I've just updated my phone to 14.7 and let's see how it goes. By the way, Apple advises to charge the unit first before use, so you might want to do that. Mine isn't fully charged yet, but you'd want to see a green LED light to indicate that it's fully charged. There we go. Yeah, actually I was expecting a bit of an animation. Okay, so you can see from the battery widget the status of the phone. You can see that it's charging. You can also see the percentage of the actual MagSafe battery pack. Let me try to expand the widget right here to see if it will give me more options. Okay, so battery. Okay, there we go. So if you want to see the actual percentage of the battery pack, then you'd have to expand the widget. So the animation seemed to only appear if your phone is locked, and you would get this nifty animation. You would see your phone's charging state, as well as the juice inside the battery pack. Yeah, that animation is pretty dope. Yeah, you would see this option if you want to charge past 90%. By default, your MagSafe battery pack will charge your iPhone up to 90%, then it will stop charging. According to Apple, this is to prolong the lifespan of your MagSafe battery pack. Okay, so the MagSafe battery pack can actually charge your phone as well in 15 watts of power. By default, it only does it at 5 watts, but if you plug it in using a 20-watt power adapter or higher, it should charge your phone to the full 15-watt speed. The MagSafe battery pack also unlocks a feature from your iPhone which supports pass-through charging. If you plug your iPhone on a 20-watt power adapter or higher, it should essentially charge your MagSafe battery pack as well. For now, it only seems to work for the MagSafe battery pack. So if you want to charge your AirPods wirelessly, that won't work yet. But hopefully Apple unlocks that too. Out of curiosity, I tried to charge the iPhone XS Max using the MagSafe battery pack, and apparently it works as well. You just have to find the exact location or the sweet spot. So, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, or if you want to know how much juice the MagSafe battery pack can provide to your phone from zero, then leave it down in the comments below. Thank you. Have a good day.